That's awesome!
This is part of country life. Going to get firewood in the snow. I was getting to thinking that out here, since there's so much snow, what we should be doing is going snowmobiling. Now it's been a good probably 4 or 5 years since we've seen snow like this in Sundre, which means if we rip along on the pipeline today, or the power line, we might actually be able to do some boondocking out here today. So let's go do that. Let's get this wood finished. Let's go snowmobiling. Oh, I'm getting snow piled up in my vents. So every once in a while, the Snow and Sundry lands just about right. Seems to happen once about every 5 years, that you don't have to drive all the way from central Alberta to BC. So we're out here at Marble Mountain, me and my old man, and look at the snow we got out here. Nitro's probably stuck where it sits. Happy quadding.
Happy quadding.
The old grill from 25, 26 years back. Gonna cook our weenies.
Here, you can do it for real, or you can get it on TV and watch them stoke the fire.
This is real.
This is real.
No repeat here, no looping video. I've never ridden snow like this around Sundry before. It's just like going to Revelstoke. This is the stuff I go to Revelstoke for. So we're gonna continue on down the trail here. Hopefully find another few meadows to play in. We just gotta finish our smokies now. That's awesome! Just too much fun.
Look how deep it is.
Oh yeah. That's powder to play in. Oh God, what an awesome day. That was amazing. What an amazing day for sledding in Alberta. It was just absolutely epic. I've never seen snow like this out here before, and I had probably one of the best days sledding I've had in a long time around here anyway. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel down there, smash that like button down below, and I'll see everyone in the next video.